In a sunny kitchen, Maya discovers a tiny tornado in a bottle and learns how air can spin up a mini storm. A simple swirl forms when water and a drop of dish soap meet, and kids can imitate it with an empty bottle. The host explains that air moves like a crowd at a game, fast through narrow gaps and slow in open spaces. Tilting the bottle shows how momentum and gravity balance the spinning swirl and gently stop it. Challenge viewers to try with a straw and a paper boat to explore lift and drag while sparking curiosity.